Welcome to this brief Ascender Parent Portal tutorial. To navigate to the Coupland ISD Ascender Parent Portal, go to couplandisd.org and scroll to the ribbon under the gallery. Click the Ascender Parent Portal tab. Once on the page, you can change your language preference here. Enter your login credentials here. If you don't remember your username or password, click Forgot to receive assistance. If you are a new user and do not have an Ascender Parent Portal account, you must create your account. Once you have an Ascender Parent Portal account, to gain access to your students' records, you must provide a unique portal ID for each student. The front office can provide this information for you. Simply call 512-856-2422 or email the registrar. The My Account page allows you to review, change, and verify your account settings and add students to your Ascender Parent Portal account. You may also update contact information, such as your email and mobile phone number. You must verify your email account or your mobile phone number in order to receive alerts. The summary page is the first page displayed when you successfully log onto Ascender Parent Portal. This page provides you your students' schedule, current average for each class, and attendance for the current date. Alerts are messages notifying you if the student has any grades or attendance information you should be aware of, such as an absence, tardy, or low grade. The attendance page displays your students' daily attendance and semester totals. The detail view displays attendance details in a table view. The calendar view displays attendance details in a calendar instead of a table view. And totals view displays tardies and attendance totals for the semester. Attendance data is current as of the date and time you log in. To refresh the attendance data displayed, you must log out and log in again. The cycle and semester grades page displays your students' cycle and semester grade averages. You can also view assignment grades for the current semester. Cycle grades display grade averages for the current cycle and posted grade averages for previous cycles. For the current semester, you can view the assignment grades for each class. For previous semesters, you can only view the posted average. Alerts can be set to inform you of excused, unexcused absences, tardies, and if your student's grade average in a class or on an assignment falls below a specific grade. The same email address must be entered in your student's contact information record on the campus, as well as a verified email on the My Account page. You must set up alerts inside the Ascender Parent Portal. For more information on using Ascender Parent Portal, click the Help button on the landing page or email the campus registrar. Thank you.